Have you ever wondered if $100 a month could make you rich? Not just comfortable, but financially free. Sounds impossible, right? What if I told you there's proven math behind this? You can achieve this if you do it the right way. Let's dive into the concept of the wealth loop, a simple way to financial freedom. Meet Anna. She was a janitor earning $28,000 a year. By age 60, she had over $1 million. How? She saved and invested just $100 a month starting at 25. With an average market return of 10%, that $100 grew into over $1 million by retirement. This is the power of compound interest, the silent millionaire maker working for you. Now, when you start matters more than how much you invest. Mike and Sarah both invest $100 a month. Sarah starts at 20 and stops at 30. Mike starts at 30 and invests until 60. Who ends up richer? Sarah. Because time beats effort. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest, and the more your money works for you. 100 may not seem significant. It's a dinner, a streaming subscription, or half a tank of gas. But what if I told you that same $100 invested monthly for 30 years could grow to nearly $200,000? If you double it to $200 a month, that's over $400,000. Small habits lead to big results. How do you do this? First, open a Roth IRA or brokerage account. Second, choose a low-cost index fund like VO or VTI. Third, automate $100 a month into the account. And the golden rule? Don't touch it. Even during market dips, don't sell. The winners are those who stay the course. Now consider this. What would you do with financial freedom? Travel more? Start a business? Spend more time with family? Money isn't the goal, freedom is. If $100 a month can buy that freedom, the real question is, can you afford not to invest? That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Now go invest that $100. Your future self will thank you.